Right now I have an idea for putting on these gate latches to keep the gate from blowing around when we open it. It will swing it back and it'll latch in place for us. That's the plan. First I have to open the gates. Yeah, these bars that I've been using to prop the gates open will be used again. Now it's windy, so I have to be very slow and careful because these are big sails. Now currently, we've been just propping it carefully. We'll open it all the way so when the wind pushes it that way anyway, so it can't swing and rip off its hinges. And this one we prop with a cement block. Well, that's not the best way to go. So I'm going to work on an idea I have here using the T-posts that we've been using instead of digging more holes in the ground and putting more cement in the ground. T-posts are pretty good. They've been holding the fence. So let's see if my idea works. I'm working this out as I go. The wind is really causing me trouble. So the idea, the wind is terrible right now. The idea is to bring this back, just break over, and have a T-post in the ground here at the right distance and a 2x4 holding the latch. So, let me see. Oh yeah, it works gravity. When you swing the gate, it snaps and it won't be able to open again. So I've got to figure exactly where my 2x4 has to be, and then that T-post has to be very precisely put in place here where that's going. I think that's it. Actually, the door can help me guide where I'm nailing or pounding.
I gotta make this very straight.
Now, I'm going to put on, hope you can see what I'm doing, it's sort of shadowy. Now I'm going to put a 2x4 on here. Get this out of my way again. The wind is going to try to attack it, so I have to put a brick in the way. And then I've got to screw on a 2x4 here. That one's too thin. Hopefully, oh, I might have to go lower with this. Let me see how that's going to be snapped. Nope, that's going to work. So, in theory, it's going to hold itself together. Now, I don't think there's going to be a lot of force on it, so if I line this up, whoa, well, we're going to find out right now, aren't we? The wind is blowing. I might be better off putting a 2x4 all the way down, but for now I'm going to get this on, line it up here where it goes. Where does this go? Something like that. If I get one screw in or marked, then we can go from there. Okay. Test the theory with one screw. It latches. Release, open. Hate when a screw goes sideways. Okay. This is probably temporary. I think I'm going to end up reinforcing this. I hate to do it, but I think I'm going to cement a post in for the long run. It's a little wobbly, but it does close and it does lock. For now, it's going to prevent accidents. So, while I work on the other one, I'll leave that latched as it is, and we'll see how it works with the breeze and the wind blowing. Well, the only purpose of this anyway is to keep the gate from swinging in the wind while I'm driving my truck in and out. So it's very temporary and briefly used at any time. That's just going to aid us, or if there's only one person coming through, to be able to latch that open and not stress anymore. Now, just for laughs, I'm going to open this and show how hard these things are to get open, but I'll do it in fast forward. Annihilated. That was hard. I hit some rocks down there. Okay, now I need a 2x4. So make sure I get it the right way. I always do this with it latched in the latch position so that I know I got the screws right when I start this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get 4x4s, but it's gonna work for now. Let's get that out of my way. When I get back to town, I'll buy some 4x4s, probably just a 12-footer, even an 8-footer, I think, cut in half. And I think this will be really good. It's awkward reaching around this. Okay, gate latched. Simple release. This one is usually the least risk with the wind, so I do that first. Quick thumb release. This one's pushing. This one is a sail. I have these meshed together tight, and everything is wet right now. So up on top, when I get these gates secured with cross bracing, I can take out that little 1/4-inch piece of trim in between the two gates and make this task a lot easier. Well, let's open the gates now. See, I got a piece in here to keep them from sagging inwards. And this is wet too. Now again, this gate first. This one has the wind resistance. Safe. Locked in. That is incredibly convenient. As you see, I've got to work on the gates coming together and make them a little bit nicer, but this is a quick thumb latch, thumb release, and the gate's undone. That's it. Got some tweaking to do. You know, Get those gates better secured, get the cross bracing up on top here. Yeah, we got some work to do, but it works. It's safe, secure, it looks good. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please do like this video, help me boost my stats, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Oh, hit that bell notification and that bell icon and get notifications. Let's see what tomorrow brings.